Hi there. So today in this video we are going to talk about pagination parameters in WP query. So basically pagination parameters are those parameters which manipulates the pagination in the WP query. So these are the pagination parameters which we are going to see one by one, and for this I'll be continuing uh, working on this file allbooks.php. And if you come directly to this video, I would suggest that watch the first video in this playlist so that you know how we come on this page. Otherwise, if you know what you're doing, just continue watching this video. So yeah, here is the page which is this template, and I'm displaying all my books over here with pagination. And now let's try to check these parameters. First parameter is no paging. So this is used when you don't want to have a pagination on your WordPress WP query loop. So by default it is false. That's why you are seeing this pagination over here. So now let's put no paging as a true. So when you put this, and refresh, we will see all the book result on single page without pagination. You see that this parameter ignores this post per page and paged parameter. So this is the use of no paging. Then the second is posts per page. We are already using this. Oops, sorry about that. So post per page, I'm displaying 5 posts per page. So as you can see, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Let me make 10. So this is used to display number of result on a single page. Then offset. So using offset, you can start your result from particular point. For example, sorry about that, you want to start your loop from this, then the offset you would pass is 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So let's try to pass an offset. So offset means from which position you want to start your loop. So I'm gonna open this in another tab so that we can see the difference. So as you can see, it started loop from this fifth one, I mean the sixth one. It starts from 0, so it is starting from the sixth one. So as you can see, a book, z book, a book, z book, book post 2 5 6 and so on. So this is the use of offset. So if you want to start your result from any particular position, you can pass the offset. Then this is paged, which we are already using. For example, if you want to get some result for particular page number, then you can pass this something like that. So we are already using this. So we are getting the page number from the query string, which is when we click on this 11 number. So the page number 11, we are getting the result from page number 11. Similarly, if we click on number 9, this value become 9, and we are getting the result from page number 9, and so on. So this is how all, yeah, we covered everything. So this is how all the pagination parameter works in the WP query. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.